Hey guys, just want to make you aware it's possible we could get a move for Bitcoin in the next couple hours. This looks like this could be the top right here. I guess this would be a continuation pattern, which is considered a bullish pattern. It could break either way. This is our resistance. You can see we hit it again. We did get a wick above it, but you can see that we did get rejected 1, 2, almost 3 times. And this looks like this is our support. You can see we found support here 1, 2, 3 times, and we're kind of riding up this right now. We've been finding support, so the apex would be within about 2 hours. Again, we could be in a different pattern, but if this is the pattern we're in, it's possible we could have a breakout soon. Your current support, see we've been finding support on this trend line here in this fib channel. That's around 15,454. So if you have a break to the upside, likely resistance is going to be 15,900. If you push above that, potentially 16,536. Downside targets, I have a few. Your first major supports 15,147, 15,000. That's a pretty close to an even number, so that is a likely support level. And then we have a major support down here at 14,727. So just keep that in mind, guys. Also, in the previous video I made, I was telling you I think we're likely topped out at this point. You can see every time we hit this red ring, we get topped out, come down, topped out, come down. I do think ultimately we are topped out, even if we push up to around 16,000. I do think this is pretty much as high as we're going to go before coming back down and testing this 20-week moving average. Again, this will continue to move up. So, it's possible if we move sideways and come down and we test this could be around 12,500, maybe 13,000. We'll have to keep an eye on this, but again, I think we're ultimately topped out. At least to come down, test a 20-week, and possibly push up higher. Keep in mind also, Bitcoin dominance is coming down. Dominance down, Bitcoin price of Bitcoin would come down. So if this continues to drop down to our next support, which is 63.45, and it kind of makes sense that we could possibly drop from this pattern. But also keep in mind, if we do come down and hold support, this has been support and resistance. So if we come down and we find support at 63.45 for Bitcoin dominance, and we just happen to be at support on one of these fib channel lines, that would be an ideal point to potentially long Bitcoin, because Bitcoin dominance goes up, the price of altcoins go down, Bitcoin goes up. So again, if we find support push up, you might want to potentially put in a long for Bitcoin. That's pretty much it, guys. If you do want to access these charts, the website's opticalartcrypto.com. The link will be in the description. All the charts play out live. Just click the link. And make sure you follow me on Twitter. It's Optical Art Chart. That link will be in the description as well. Guys, that's it. Till the next video. Peace.